Now that you can use GCash and other mode of payment here in Philippines to buy USDT in Binance, it will be a great opportunity for Filipinos to start trading cryptocurrencies. Here is a quick guide on how to buy USDT in Binance using GCash and other payment methods just by using your phone. Step 1. Open your Binance application and click on P2P Trading. Choose P2P on the upper left corner and click Buy, and here we have USDT, BTC, and others. Step 2. Click Select Currency icon on the upper right and enter PHP. Step 3. Select Mode of Payment on the filter icon. Here you can see your desired payment method. This time we will be using GCash. Enter the amount and press Yes to confirm. Step 4. Choose an offer and click Buy. Now, enter the amount that you're going to buy and press Buy USDT. Step 5. Choose GCash as your payment method, and then transfer your payment to the information that the trader provided within the time limit. To do this, just open your GCash application. Now, you can send the payment to the trader. Step 1. Click on Send Money. And then, Step 2. Choose Express Send. Step 3. Enter the GCash number of the trader and the amount of money. You can enter a message to inform the trader and click Next. Always make sure that the informations are correct and then click Send. After it, take a screenshot as a proof that you already paid it. Now, go again to your Binance application to confirm the transaction. Just click on Transferred Next and send a message to the trader. Send the screenshot of your payment as a proof, and then the trader will now release the USDT into your wallet. To check if the transaction is successful or not, go to your wallet, click on P2P and look at the USDT amount. Press on Transfer. Choose P2P to Spot Wallet and press Transfer. And that's it. You can now have your USDT on your Binance Spot Wallet.